Prepare yourself to be amazed. What's going on YouTube? It's Tariq, aka Tariq TV. So I'm the host, you're the audience, and yeah. So everyone who's been in a car knows that there's only one person in the car that has all the power. This person has the power to change the entire... Okay, now my aunties are looking at me, recording a video. What has life come to, people? What has life come to? But as I was saying, this person has the power to change the entire mood of the journey. They have the power to just say, listen to me now, I'm the daddy. They have the power to change minds. Okay, maybe I went too far on that one. But still, this is the person with the AUX code, aka the AUX code. Dun, dun, dun. Now, let me just break it down for you right now. So when someone has this AUX cable, they are responsible for everyone's mood during the journey. This person has the trust of everyone in that car, people. Everyone in that car to put the forest songs going, trending on. But sometimes, even brings a tear to my eye even thinking about it. That trust is broken. You don't believe me? You don't believe me? Let me show you. What you saying, bro? You good, yeah?
You tell me, bro.
I'm good, bro. I'm good. You ready to go?
All good. Let me just get my seatbelt.
Bro, let me crank up the tunes while you do that.
Bruv, pass me the aux.
What you mean? This is my car.
Bruv, I've got some fire tunes. Pass me the aux.
Bro, my car, my aux.
Pass me the aux.
You sure?
Yeah.
मैं तेनू समझावां कि ना तेरे बाजू लगदा जी ना तेरे बाजू लगदा
Fire tunes, yeah? Fire tunes, give me that. Get out of my car. Bro, just get out of my car. Come in here, Bollywood. You ain't no Devdas, bro. Go. Thank you guys for watching the video. As always, if you enjoyed, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you thought in the comment section below. If you enjoyed, let me know in the comment section below. And also what you want to see. I'm really sorry for the short video, but I promise you, to me, to you, that next week there will be a longer video. I promise you that. If it doesn't happen, then I don't know. We'll work something out. We'll work something out. But I really do hope you enjoyed. If you did, share with all your friends, your Facebooks, your Twitters, your Instagrams, your WhatsApps, your family, your friends. Share it with everyone. And thank you very, very much for all the support you guys have been showing. I really do appreciate it. And always, as always, I love yous and I leave yous.